Tired of chasing approvals, sorting through email chains, or losing track of where a requisition stands? You're not alone. Traditional requisition processes are often slow, error-prone, and lack visibility. With Nutrient Workflow Automation, you can digitize and streamline requisitions, from purchase request to vendor onboarding. Need faster approvals? Nutrient eliminates bottlenecks with pre-built forms and workflows, no coding required. Still using PDFs or spreadsheets? Our digital forms adapt to your structure and business rules, so you reduce errors and onboarding time. Curious where a request stands? Dashboards and activity logs keep everyone in the loop, with clear next steps and accountability. And when it's time for audits, timestamps, histories, and access logs make compliance simple. Now, let's take a look at how it works. What you're seeing here is a pre-built purchase requisition workflow, designed to replace manual spreadsheets and emails. This template includes conditional approvals, automated escalations, dynamic forms, and even an optional PO generation. It's flexible, easy to configure, and gives your team full visibility from request to resolution. I'm going to run a request and show what this process looks like and how it works in Nutrient Workflow. I'll begin filling in this form. You can see here that the date auto-populated as soon as I started this request. Let's go ahead and search for a vendor. I'm going to choose paper products. Here you'll see that the data automatically populated based on the vendor that I selected. Here's an example of a dynamic form field. You'll see that depending on which radio button I select, another question pops up for a special approver. If I click no, that field goes away. I'll click yes and go ahead and search. Next, I'll fill in the purchase order details. I'll attach our quote. And then I'll go ahead and start filling out our order details. You can see that this field is automatically doing calculations for me in this form. Now that I'm done inputting my purchase order details, I'm going to click Submit. Once I click Submit, the workflow takes over. It automatically routes to the appropriate approver based on our workflow rules. You'll see now it's moved on from purchasing approval to finance approval. And since my request was over $5,000, it automatically routed to the CFO. If it was under $5,000, it would have routed directly as PO approved, and then the process would have ended. I'm going to go ahead and approve as if I was the CFO. And you can see here how the process ran, and this workflow is now complete. If something needs attention or approval is delayed, automated reminders and escalations keep it moving. No emails, no guesswork, just progress. See how quickly your team can get started using workflow automation. We'll tailor everything to your approval policies, data models, and integrations, and get you up and running in weeks, not months. Visit nutrient.io and try Nutrient Workflow for free for 14 days, or request a demo today. Let's streamline requisitions the smart way.